Hey curious people, I have another surprise box of electricals. It's faulty electricals. I think this one could be phones, modems, not modems, routers, old school, set-top boxes, that kind of thing. So I will get to that in a second, but first I just want to show you these. So I came home from work quite late last night and this was waiting for me, and my dad has made me some tools because he was he couldn't bear to watch me bashing around my screwdrivers any longer. So he has really kindly made me some amazing tools to help me pry things open. So there's a lovely little set here, all different sizes. So from now on you shall not see me bashing and breaking my screwdrivers. You shall see me using these wonderful tools that he's made. So yeah, I thought that was really lovely. So thank you, Dad. Very, very grateful. And I shall put those away for now so I don't muddle them up, and look forward to using them. So I'm losing light here. I've been busy unpacking new appliances all day today. We've had a bit of a kitchen spruce up, but yeah, snackering, wiring in everything and what have you, plumbing and stuff. So I just wanted to quickly try and get this unboxed before the light goes. So we'll give it a go. Again, as you can see, I've only taken off my address. I haven't actually. Also, because the kitchen's a massive mess, I'm not entirely sure where my Stanley knife is, so I'm going to have to do this with crummy old scissors. My favourite electricals box so far was the first one. That's why, because it's crisscrossed, it's not because that just had some really unusual vintage items in it. The last one was okay. Gave me hours of enjoyment taking everything to pieces. Nothing, particularly amazing in it, but all the same it was fun to do. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we'll see what this one has to offer. Right, now we're getting there. See some scarts. Okay, I see lots of scarts. Right. Okay. Scarts. Oh, and not even very good ones. No gold fingers there, unless the tips could be. So I will investigate and have a look further. Oh look, this is one of these ribbon scarts. Gosh, that's old school. There's a tinge. So basically, if there is any gold plating there, it's not particularly high quality. But I'll open them up and see what the end points have. What's this? Oh, it's like a power cord. More scarts. Again, pretty rubbish scarts. Oh dear, don't get more bog standard than these ones. Okay. Right, well I can see routers. Let's have a look. Sky Broadband Netgear. Okie doke. Haven't done a Netgear, so that's exciting. Nice and compact. You can hear the little tap on the door again. Ooh. What make is this? Virgin. Okay. Virgin one. It's an upright. Alright. Look forward to having a look at that. Ooh. Ooh, what's this? Samsung something or other. So this is a Samsung Virgin box. You see Virgin Media. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. I didn't realise Samsung did. Okay, so it's like just their set-top box type. It's obviously, you know, it's a modern one. It's got Sky and an HDMI. So look forward to seeing what's inside that. This looks like a Sky. Is it? Or maybe not. Pace. It's manufactured by Pace, but doesn't help me to know what the provider is. It does look like Sky, but it doesn't say Sky on it. That looks like a, you know, where you put your Sky card. But yeah, I don't know, bit of a mystery one that. That'll be the invoice with my name and address on it. Some remote controls, maybe this will help give it away. Oh, that's the Virgin, 2 Virgins. Oh, okay, so maybe... Oh, this one's heavy. What's this? That's a brass screw there. Alright, what's this? Grundig, good make. Sky viewing card, Sky Digibox. Gosh, that's old. That looks like a very old style one, but yeah, no, there's no HDMI on there. I was going to say, it does look pretty old. Yeah, I'm in demand. Quick! Let's just pop that down there. No, let's pop it on there. Okay. Oh, right. What's this? Oh yeah. Wow, that is an old Sky. That's not even Sky. You can't even. How well used is this remote control? There's not even any. You can't even read any of the buttons. Jeez. Okay. Let's have a look at this. What we got here? Telewest Active Digital Digibox. Okay. And then B Plus box. That's Samsung. So they're obviously in partnership with Virgin. This one has HDMI. So yeah, a more modern box. Yeah, more modern digibox. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sort of digital set-top boxes. No phones, actually. Hurrah! Because as you know, I did enough of those at the weekend. 3 remotes. And then 2 routers. And then a whole load of cord food. Some brass. These ones are brass. Oh, these ones are brass too. Don't know what they are. Not magnetic. but white metal, not sure. Okay, so that's it, short and sweet. I know you're there, darling, I'm coming. Right, you can hear I'm in demand, so I'm going to hot foot it indoors. I've showed you my lovely tools, and this is my next box of goodies that I will be processing as soon as I can, really. I've got another day off tomorrow, who knows if the weather's good enough. I've got some appliances now, though, out the front to I haven't got much time to do those before they need to be moved, so I might have to dedicate tomorrow to that and come back to this, save this for my week off. But yeah, there we have it. All right, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.